Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here at Cash Couch. My name is Nick and I am dedicated to helping you grow your financial education as well as your assets. Now today's video will be about how to invest. I know a lot of people would really like to get into investing but aren't really sure how to. That is at least my experience when discussing investing or personal finance with people. They are clueless. And I can't blame them. It's not as though schools teach financial education in school anymore. It is more or less memorize this and hopefully you'll get a nice secure job. Not get ahead, but get a nice secure job and retire with some dignity. So stay tuned and we will get into it. Now, before we begin, please smash that like and subscribe button. As a new channel, I would really appreciate the support, and I will continue to provide you with financial information. So step number one is figuring out what you want to invest in. Now, there are many different types of investments and many different ways you can put your money away and have it grow. Today's video will deal with two main ways that I got started: the stock market, traditional, and cryptocurrencies, which is a little more risky, but well worth the rewards if you know what you're doing. So, the stock market. The stock market has traditionally been a juggernaut in terms of a financial vehicle to grow wealth. You do not have to have a lot of money to get started in the stock market. You can look at online brokerage accounts such as E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood. These will all get you in the door. I personally use TD Ameritrade. It's a little more in depth. They also have online conferences several times a year where they'll shoot you an invite. You go in, you sit on their e-conference. They'll teach you about various forms of investing and ways around their software. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go based off of a TD Ameritrade account. So once you have it set up, you can link your bank account and start transferring funds into it. Like I said before, you don't have to have a ton of money to get started in investing in the stock market. You can transfer, like, say, $100 and do some research on some stocks and buy and hold. It's pretty straightforward, to be honest. It's nothing too complex. Now, some warnings regarding investing. Do not invest money that you are not willing to lose. There is no such thing as a safe investment. All investments require risk. With no risk, there is no reward. If that were the case, you might as well just put it in your savings account and watch it depreciate via inflation, which is terrible. Some sage advice from Warren Buffett would be, invest like the stock market is going to close for 10 years, meaning if you invested your money today, 10 years from now, would you still be able to get your money out of the stock market? This is a warning against throwing money at very fickle trends or things just simply because they are popular. Do not invest in things for the sake of them being popular. This is how you invest in a bubble and end up losing your money. See the dot-com boom at the beginning of the 2000s. Lots of investors threw money at things that were just quote unquote internet related and lost a lot of money. Now, getting started with cryptocurrency, the best way would be to download coinbase.com, set up an account, and do some research before investing. Now, this is a common theme with investing in general. Please do your research before you invest. Do not throw money at things you do not understand. It may sound interesting, it may sound great, but just because it sounds great does not mean it will be great or perform how you expect it to perform. Now, there are chances that you may discover the next Google or Apple or something along those lines, but those are very few and far between, and most of the time you will throw your money in the trash. So as a beginning investor, I would recommend looking into large cap companies, something that has a reputation and has been around for a very long time, and something that you do not see going anywhere for a while. This is just a start. Once you get an understanding of the stock market and understand investing a little bit more, then I would suggest incurring more risk. Now back to cryptocurrency. Once you get your Coinbase account started, drop some money in and buy the coins that you did some research into and the projects that you liked. And if you do not feel comfortable investing into cryptocurrencies right now, I have a previous video on top 5 ways to earn free cryptocurrency just to get your toes wet. So as stated, getting started in investing is pretty simple. You just have to have the initiative and some money up upfront. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.